Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of creating and importing an HTTP custom cloud config link. This feature of HTTP custom VPN is fantastic for protecting your config files from being unlocked or decrypted. If you're looking for extra security for your config files, this video is for you. Don't forget subscribe, share, and like this video. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, at the top, type HTTP custom VPN. You will see the app in the search results. Tap on it, and then tap the install button to download and install the app. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Step 2. Once the VPN is installed, launch the app. You will be directed to the home screen of the app. Here, you need to set up a config file to start using the VPN. If you have a previously saved config file, you can use that. Otherwise, let me show you how to set up a new one. Step 3. To save a new config file, click on the plus icon on the app's home screen. Select Save Config from the options that appear. You will be prompted to give a name to your config file. Enter a name of your choice. To make your config file more secure, you can lock its settings by enabling the lock option. Finally, click Save to save your config file. Step 4. Since the saved file is not secure in its file format, we will upload it to the cloud. You can use any cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. In this tutorial, I will use Dropbox. Make sure you have a Dropbox account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. You can either download the Dropbox app from the Play Store or use Dropbox through a web browser. Step 5. Launch any browser and search for Dropbox. Open your preferred web browser and type Dropbox in the search bar. Click on the Dropbox link and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, you will be on the Dropbox homepage, where you can upload files and manage your storage. Step 6. Now that you have a Dropbox account, tap on the Upload Files label. You will be redirected to your mobile storage. Navigate to the HTTP custom folder in your storage, find and select the config file you created earlier. The file will start uploading and will be available in your Dropbox account in a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, tap on the file and copy its URL address. Step 7. After uploading the file to Dropbox and getting the link, launch the HTTP custom app again. Click on the hamburger menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, to open the menu. Here you will see various features of HTTP custom VPN. Step 8. Click on Short URL Maker. A box will pop up asking you to enter the link. Paste the link you copied from Dropbox into this box. Note that the direct Dropbox link will not work. You need to edit the link to make the file downloadable. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to edit the link. After editing, tap on the Generate button to create a short URL. Wait for a few seconds, and once the short URL is generated, copy it. Step 9. Now that the cloud config link is generated, here's how to import it. On the left side of the HTTP custom app, click on the plus icon. From the options that appear, click on Cloud Config. A box will pop up asking you to enter the cloud config link. Paste the short URL you just created into this box and confirm to import it. Step 10. Now that the file is imported, click on the Start button to connect to the VPN. Your HTTP custom config is now securely stored and used from the cloud. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and import an HTTP custom cloud config link. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.